So in this video, I'm going to show you a technique that you can use to plan out how you will connect the lights in your house. So as you can see, I have a pretty simple floor plan drawn here. And when you do this, if you don't want to draw over your own floor plan, you could redraw a simpler version either on a whiteboard or on a sheet of paper, and you can use that to practice this exercise to help plan out how you will connect to your lights. So I'm going to start with my series circuit. So in a series circuit, we go from red on the positive side of the battery, and then as we cross over the first resistor, we go from red to yellow. When we cross over the second one, we go from yellow to blue. So on my first resistor here, I'm going to color one side red and the other side yellow. Then on my other resistor, I'm going to color the first side yellow and the other side blue. And then the yellow sides should connect to each other. So I can just draw one straight yellow line across that connects the two. And then the red side and the blue side each have to connect to a battery. So I can draw this up towards this top wall. Put the battery towards the outside of the house right here on this wall. And then same with my blue side over here, I can draw this up and over and then to the negative side of the battery right there. For my parallel circuit, each light has to go directly from red to blue. So if I have three lights here that I want to be in parallel, I can color in the top of each one red, and then I can color the bottom of each one blue. Now all of the red sides of the lights have to connect to each other, and all the blue sides of the lights have to connect to each other. So I can start by connecting these two lights here, and then maybe drop this down to connect to my third light. And then for the blue ends, I can just take this wire over towards the wall, draw it up along the wall, and then connect to my second light, and draw it over along this wall, connect to my third. And then I need to connect these to a battery, so I can put the battery on the outside of the house, maybe over here. Put the negative end of the battery right there. And then I'll connect the red side to the positive end. And then now I have a series circuit wired on top and a parallel circuit wired on the bottom. And this gives you a visual of what it might look like on the back side of your house, on the back of your shoebox, when you're connecting all the wires together. When you do this in your actual house, don't forget to put switches in. I didn't use that in this example because I wanted to just show you the basics, but you have to make sure that you are connecting the switches in the circuits as well in your real house.